VMware Cloud Foundation components and use cases. VMware Cloud Foundation is an integrated software-defined data center (SDDC) platform that combines compute, storage, networking, and cloud management into a single solution. It simplifies the deployment and management of hybrid and multi-cloud environments. The core components of VMware Cloud Foundation include VMware vSphere, the compute virtualization platform that allows businesses to run multiple virtual machines on a single physical server, optimizing resource utilization. VMware vSAN, a software-defined storage solution that eliminates the need for traditional storage infrastructure by integrating storage directly into the hypervisor. VMware NSX, a networking and security platform that enables microsegmentation, automation, and policy-based management for secure cloud networking. VMware vRealize Suite, a cloud management solution that provides automation, monitoring, and analytics to optimize performance and resource usage. VMware Cloud Foundation supports various use cases, including hybrid cloud deployment. Organizations can extend their on-premises data centers to the public cloud, ensuring seamless integration and consistent operations. Disaster recovery. With built-in automation and policy-based management, businesses can implement reliable disaster recovery strategies across multiple cloud environments. Application modernization. VMware Cloud Foundation supports Kubernetes and cloud-native application development, enabling businesses to accelerate digital transformation. Security and compliance. The platform includes advanced security features such as zero-trust networking, encryption, and compliance with industry regulations. By adopting VMware Cloud Foundation, organizations gain agility, operational efficiency, and simplified cloud management, making it an ideal choice for enterprises embracing hybrid and multi-cloud strategies. In the next lesson, we will explore best practices for implementing and managing VMware Cloud Foundation. Let's get started.